Hi, welcome to Hard Reset. In front of me Epson XP-8700. Now I'm gonna show you how to set up the CD, DVD, CD inner or CD outer stickers and thick paper printing. So to do that, you need to open settings and click printer settings, and here we have CD DVD, CD inner outer, stickers and thick paper settings. So you can set up all of them. For example, CD DVD printing. You can change the plus or minus to left or right, changing paper printing place. As you can see here, you have image on which you can see how it looks like. And the same thing you can do with CD inner outer. So here we have inner, so we can make it bigger or smaller, and outer too. And the same thing with the stickers. And cool. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.